Hello guys, and welcome back to Kentucky Ants. I hope you're doing well today because I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3-species colony, or a multi-species colony in general, just a colony with multiple species. So, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, never add other genuses. If you add another genus, or for example, you add Myrmica, that can do lots of harm to your colony. And the Myrmica queen will most likely end up dying if the colony already has workers. So, yeah. Tip number 2, never use any other genuses other than Finnegaster. Unless you love disappointments for some reason, never use any other genus. Now, from my experience, if I use Camponotus, it's just a big disappointment. If I use Myrmica, it's a big disappointment. If I use the boring small ants, it's still a disappointment. So yeah. Last but not least, tip number 3, never use the fridge. It might be tempting, but never use the fridge to chill down your colony. I've tried it before, it didn't work. So yeah, and if it doesn't work for me, it probably won't work for you either. So yeah. However, you should just let the colony chill out, or not chill out, you should just let the colony do their own thing, and if needed, use a cotton ball to take off the pheromones, I guess. It's not necessary, but if you want to, it's fine. So yeah, that'll be all for today. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like gaming content, subscribe to my friend's channel, Exo Squad Caleb, and I will see you in the next video. Kentucky Ants out.